This morning, Illinois is in the bottom 10 for COVID vaccinations per capita, so the health department has come up with a new plan to ramp up vaccinations. NBC's Shaquille Brewster is at a small independent pharmacy in the Chicago suburb of Joliet, Illinois. So, Shaq, tell us more about the situation right now in Illinois.
Jeff, let's look at those numbers there because, yes, it's very true that Illinois, when you look at it as a share of the entire population, is trailing much of the country in terms of the vaccination rollout. Now, if you talk to different people, they have different specific reasons, but most people point to the speed in which that we have not seen in terms of vaccinating people in that 1A population, those long-term care facilities. The governor points at CVS and Walgreens. Walgreens points and says, this is a plan we agreed to. But then you have local independent pharmacies that have been locked out of that process and say, hey, we're ready, willing, and able to help. This is one of the few pharmacies in the state actually vaccinating part of that long-term care population that was left out of the federal plan. Listen to my conversation with the owner.
When I hear the stories about we're one of the only ones, of course, part of me is proud and excited, but there's another part of me that's just disgusted. Why am I the only one doing this? We need more people doing this. We need every independent pharmacy doing this. We need doctors' offices doing this. I mean, doctors vaccinate all the time. We have the flu vaccine in doctors' offices. This needs to be in as many places as it can.
Now, the state this week announced they're reallocating some of the vaccine doses that were tied to the 1A population. The hope is that for the next group of people, you can have more doses available for them.